If you enjoy what you're seeing right now, make sure to check out my Patreon, where you can get exclusive benefits from early access to sponsorships. If you'd like to join, just select one of these levels and become a John Army member. So now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to an Unreal Engine free assets for June 2020. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the free assets that you can use on the Unreal Engine for this month. So the first one we got here is the Modular Low Poly Robots. Really decent asset where you can do like a robot combat game. Really nice. It's got it has multiplayer support, thousands of possible robot combinations. It has a playable demo. It's got a movement system, low material count, robot physics interaction. You can use this in mobile games. You can usually make a robot combat game. Like you can get this. It for this one is originally $24.99 for it being free this month. You can get it for free. So you will save $25. Next one is a third-person story adventure template. If you want to do like a story-driven based game, this template is the right place for you. It's got like a loading system, saving a loading system. I mean, you can create save game slots. It's got graphic settings, game. You can interact with objects. You can interact with a bed. You do like lay down. You can lay on certain objects. You can interact with photos, like based on the Life is Strange franchise. Got a simple template that you can do. You can interact with other AIs. You can choose what dialogue you want to do. This is like inspired Life is Strange inspired template. See what their features are is simple focus on actors, inspection on actors 2D, inspection on actors 3D, collectible items and inventory system, collectible journal entries, dynamic sequence trigger actors, interactive NPCs with branching dialogues and consequences. So basically this is a Life is Strange inspired template. So here's here's the core features: a fully functional third-person player controller, pawn and animation blueprint, cinematic interactions using sequences, an integrated interaction system with interactive actor blueprints, an interaction widget rendered in virtual 3D space and with object collusion system and interface for collecting and reviewing journal entries and inventory items, full mouse and keyboard and gamepad support with dynamic input detection system. A sophisticated main and in-game menu with options for graphics, audio, and gameplay, saving and loading your game into 3 different slots with additional progress information, integrated functions for easy level transitions with level streaming support, prepare localization support with language selection and options menu, helpful extra features like footstep effects based on the surface type. This I would recommend. Again, it's originally $55. You can get it now through this month for free. Originally $54.99, which is $55. But now with being free for the month, you can get it for free. You save $55. The next one is a Stylized Forest. If you want to make a awesome environment for your game, the Stylized Forest asset is the right one for you. It's originally $19.99. With a part of this June free assets, you can get it for free. You will save $20. It should be an easy setup to create your own environment. The next one is the Pro Instance Tool plugin. What this can do is almost endless ways to place meshes and nectars, self-explanatory unified settings, snapping in alignment to a surface below, instant switching between component types, static mesh, instant static mesh, hierarchical instant statics mesh, and any other actor class. Ability to manage transform settings either per instance or for all at once. Control randomization using C number. Quick access to Pro Instance types from new custom category in place mode. Via Pro Instance types, lightweight, custom icons can improve performance and reduce draw calls. Designed to be easy to use as possible, can save a lot of time. And there's some instructions how to use this asset. And the Pro Instance types is circle, grid, path, scatter, or scatter. Right now you can get this for free. All you gotta do is click that free button. Click that free button. It's gonna take you to this. It's original for this plugin will be original. It's originally $30, $29.99. But with being free, you can save $30. All you gotta do is place the order. Make sure you have a valid credit card information on file in order to claim the free stuff. Oh, this process in order. This may take a few minutes. Once it confirms the order, it will send a receipt to your email. You can go into there and you can install the engine. Make sure you have, in order to use this plugin, you need Unreal Engine 4.23 to 4.26 to use this plugin. Anything below those versions of Unreal Engine will not support it. It'll give you it'll black out any of your projects, and I'll tell you, nope, it's not supported. You gotta have 4.23 or higher. And the last one is the underground subway. If you need an environment to create like a horror game or any type of game, this underground subway will be right for you. Or same thing like the plugin, you need 4.23 or higher to get this asset. The current engine I have right now is Unreal Engine 4.25.4, so it's compatible with that engine. So you can get this asset by clicking that free button. Make sure you have a valid credit card on file to claim this asset, and just click checkout, and it'll send you a receipt to your email. Alright, so let's go over the features. What does this have? It includes main level and overview level of all assets, over 125 unique props to help set dress the scene, over 30 modular assets used to build an infrastructure of the level, over 35 grunge, graffiti, and decay decals, master material used for walls to create damage and grime with vertex paint ability, multiple master materials depending on their use to give variety to the asset, various styling textures to help detail simple assets and performance, blueprint for easy cable creation, LUT color grading, IES light profiles, and dirt mask to give a final unique look. So if you want this asset to create a game, which is like for a horror game or anything, this asset will be right for you. Make sure you just have the recommended the supported engine version or use this. So that is the free assets for the month of June 2020. If you're new to the channel, if you want to see more, want me to do like a handful pack of free assets or different videos, let me know down in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn how to how to edit videos, make games, or any type of gaming content, let me make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload, stream, or premiere I come to this channel. I'll see you guys in a brand new video.